Today, we are going to make something very simple but very powerful also for our plants. Using the things that normally people are throwing away from the kitchen, we have some spoiled lemons and lemon peels lying in our kitchen waste. Instead of throwing all these in the dustbin, we are going to turn them into one very nice homemade spray, which can protect our plants and also help them grow stronger and healthier. This process is very easy. Anybody can do it at home. And for this, we just need 1 bucket, some warm water, spoiled lemons with peels, and afterwards some neem oil. First, what we will do is take all those spoiled lemons and lemon peels and put them inside 1 bucket filled with warm water. You don't make water too hot like boiling, just warm enough like how we drink warm water in winter season. Warm water will help to take out all the juice and oils from the lemons faster. After putting everything in the water, you mix it very nicely using your hand or 1 clean stick. Once it is mixed properly, we will cover the bucket with 1 lid or 1 clean cloth and leave it aside for minimum 24 hours. This step is very important because when lemons are staying longer in water, more nutrients, oils, and acids are coming out into the liquid and making it stronger for plants. After 24 hours are over, we will take out all the solid parts by straining the liquid. Remove all peels, pulp, seeds, and keep only that yellowish, slightly sour-smelling water. This liquid is very rich now with all good compounds for plants. Now for every 1 liter of this strained liquid, we will add 3 tablespoons of water-soluble neem oil. Everybody knows that neem oil is very powerful and very famous for controlling pests and diseases on plants. By mixing it inside the lemon liquid, our spray is becoming even more strong. Stir it very nicely so the neem oil is mixing properly in the lemon water. Now our spray is ready. We can use it happily on all our plants. When we spray this mixture on plants, it will give many good benefits. First and most important thing is it helps to keep all the bad pests away. Lemon water has natural acids and oils that will confuse and disturb small insects like aphids, whiteflies, mites, and all those small fellows. They do not like the smell or the taste of this lemon spray, so they will run away from our plants. And because we have added neem oil also, the effect will double. Neem oil will stop the insects from eating the leaves, laying eggs, and slowly it will even kill small insects if they stay too long. Together, lemon and neem oil are making one very strong barrier to protect our plants nicely. Another good thing is that this spray will help to stop fungal problems also. Sometimes in garden, we see white powder on leaves or black spots on them. The natural acids from lemons will create an environment on the leaves where fungus cannot easily grow. Neem oil is also having antifungal properties, so our spray will be very powerful to fight those diseases also. If we use this spray regularly, our leaves will stay clean, shiny, and infection-free. Apart from protection, this spray is giving small boost to plant growth also. Lemon peels and spoiled lemons are having small amounts of potassium and calcium, which plants are needing. When we soak them in water, little bit of these nutrients are coming into the liquid. When we spray on leaves, plants can absorb small amounts from leaf surface also. Always make sure to spray on both sides of leaves, especially backside because many pests are hiding there only. Using this spray 1 time in a week is enough for normal protection.